These are all the ingredients that you will need to make a delicious vegetable egg curry. First, you have to put water in the pot. Next, you add the eggs. Depending on how many people are going to eat the curry, I'm cooking for 2 people, so we're going to put in 4 eggs. Now the water should be barely covering the eggs on top, and I'm putting the oven into medium heat and waiting for it to boil. And put the lid on and wait for it to boil. You pour the hot water in the colander to drain it. Then you pour cold water back into the pan. So it will cool down the eggs and it'll stop it from cooking. Next, you take the egg and you crack it and start peeling the shells off. These are your ingredients: sunflower oil, coriander, turmeric, cumin, ground hot chili pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 1 orange pepper, 1 red pepper, your eggs, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 potatoes diced, 1 onion diced, 3 mushrooms sliced, 1 carrot sliced, 1 parsnip sliced, 2 cloves of garlic diced, 1 tomato sliced, a piece of fresh ginger diced. These are all your ingredients. Let's get started for that delicious vegetarian egg curry. Next, you add the sunflower oil. Just cover the bottom of the pan. First, you put into the pot the onion. Next, take a half a teaspoon of coriander powder and put it in the pot. Take a half a teaspoon of turmeric and put it in the pot. Next, take a half a teaspoon of cumin and put it in the pot. Next, you take a half a teaspoon of hot chili peppers, ground. Give it a good stir. Next, add your yellow peppers. Then add your orange pepper. Next, you add your red pepper. Give it a good stir. Add a little bit of water and stir again. Next, add in your tomatoes. Next, add in your brown sugar. Next, give it a good stir. Then you add the mushrooms and give it a good stir. Next, you add in the eggs. Add a teaspoon of curry powder and give it a good stir. Add 3 cups of water. Then add your parsnips. Give it a good stir. Next, you add the carrots. Next, add the potatoes. Give it a good stir. Next, add a teaspoon of salt. To find out if the curry is ready, you just have to check the potatoes. If it's falling apart, it's ready. It's definitely ready. It's falling apart. There you have it, folks. Delicious vegetarian egg curry. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like. Thanks.